Bakit kumain kasi spaghetti?
Papunta sa papa ng yolo.
Alas 10 yun.
Ba't ganun?
Ano oras lang ba? Alas 3? Na-process na kaya yun.
Sige.
Ay! Galing! Dali, bibili. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
As one full.
Are you full? Very. Saan lang ba to blow up?
Blow what?
Blow up.
Okay, fine. How about you, bro?
I'm really full. My
Huh?
stomach is really
Kunyari ka kayo, pero hindi.
galingan mo.
full. You need more tofu. So,
Happy birthday, mommy. I see Seth playing with his food.
No, it's not good.
And daddy's full. Lasa mo.
Kaya Gwen.
Ito siya yung gusto nila mama. Linagyan ako sa review nila. I'm very full. My tummy is big. Mine too. Size comparison, guys.
bye-bye.
Big tummy!
Stop switching it up.
Nakagpi, anak. Pipi daw. Jessie, pipi daw si Seth. Ayun pa.
Where do we pee?
It's out of
Out of order. Diyan sa baba. Mami.
Oh, the stomach is not good.
Out of order nga daw. Dito sa ano.
Kahit sa baba. I can't breathe.
Dali na, dali. Sam, dali na para makababa
Sa baba. Sa may Wendy's.
Ano yung CR eh?
Ano? Sundan natin sila. Sundan natin.
Hintayin na lang. Damn.
What's your wish for your birthday? Don't be shy. Mommy Ella is now 37 years old. Ay, siopaw. Mukhang kamukha ni Bea Alonso.
Bea Malonzo, hindi Alonso. Bea Malonzo.
Agree ka ba?
Sobrang anto. Pero patulog.
Kaya maliligo na pagdating sa bahay.
Beautiful view.
Oh, my hands are shaking.
Ano pasok mo?
What did you order in DQ? What did you order? Royal.
Royal what?
Royal order.
Ayan.
My hands are shaking. Shake yung hand ko. Ano yung the large chocolate?
Okay, one it.
It's really sweet.
Too sweet?
It's so sweet.
But,
Di ba Oreo yun? Oreo.
yeah, pero may like
Hindi,
chocolate sa loob.
Dark chocolate.
Super, super.
Napaka-sweet niya.
Yeah, but I'm gonna eat the Oreo. I eat only the...
Ano ba yan?
Yeah. Nakain ko.
Tamis ka, ano? Chocolate ganache.
Nalay.
Ganache chocolate yun.
Nalay.
May. Paalam ka na siya. Paalam ka na ba? Say bye-bye to them.
Happy birthday, Mommy.
Happy birthday.
Our beloved mother. Happy birthday.
Beloved. Beloved.
I just go